computer screen, cell phone, or television damaging your vision? Retina damage, the light-sensitive tissue in the back of our eyes, isn't just damaged by staring into the sun. Moderate light exposure from electronic devices may be causing you to go blind in ways even Stevie Wonder would warn against. Sure, you can be a visionary even without your eyesight, but why ruin it with the use of your cell phone and computer? The Chesapeake Bay Waterman study found that even fishermen who stared out over the water, reflecting the sun's rays, suffered macular degeneration or damage to the retina. But even if light doesn't have the intensity of sunlight, the brightness can cause our eyes to become fatigued as they are trying to adjust to the level of sudden illumination. How often have you reached for your cell phone in the middle of the night, only to feel like you were literally being blinded by its brightness? This feeling wasn't just a hunch. Long-term exposure to sudden bright light from your cell phone or computer screen can damage your eyes. It's got a fancy name: photooxidative damage. When light reacts with the retina to produce molecules that are reactive to the surrounding molecules in the eye, you need to know is that these sudden bright lights can be harmful to your eyes. Little Stevie Wonder was a 12-year-old musical prodigy without sight, but you needn't join him by losing your own. Turn down the brightness of your cell phone or computer at night, or allow your eyes to adjust to light slowly. You'll save your vision and get to keep your illuminated genius, too.